We have received the second rain, and this is the trench bringing water from the roadside, which has filled up the hole we dug to collect water. It is filled up, and the overflow is running down and being distributed in our cells. You can see how the water is flowing downwards. So here is our first swell. Part of the water is diverted to enter in the swell. Then we go down to the second one, and part of the water is entering in this well, and it continues to the third one, but the swells are not yet filled up. Then the last bits now go to the last swell. This one here. They have also received some. And some of the holes we dug where we're going to be planting trees, they also have some water, like this big one. We shall be planting a banana tree. We also gathered some water. So this is where the proposed food forest is. All the holes are ready. We have just been waiting for the rain, which has started. You can see even there are some banana trees there. Meanwhile, the macadamia is at the extreme end, the other side. So this area, we are going to plant the food forest. And up here is where we prepared our kitchen garden. And we have also been waiting for rain to plant. You can see the other side, we have planted already some tomatoes. And also some eggplants. This is our second rain, and we are very happy about it. So our activities can now begin from tomorrow. And here we planted some local greens. Here we have eggplants. We just planted today, and enough it has rained. So from tomorrow we shall begin planting our trees and sending the donors. Thank you for watching.